here's something I see a lot of my clients doing is they will put a project on their to-do list. And when you have a project on your to-do list, you don't really know where to start. And it's a really big thing to get started with. So maybe it's write a blog post. And it feels like, oh, that's a task, but it's not, it's a project because first you have to decide what your topic is going to be. You may have to do some research. You want to do your first draft. You want to put that aside and then edit it. Then you want to go through and make sure that the headings are right, that your SEO is working. Then you want to put it online, and then that takes a little time to get that formatting just right. Then you have to go ahead and promote it. So there are several steps within that project that you've written down as a task. So I want you to go back through your to-do list and just check, is everything on there tasks? Have you broken those down into the inchstone goals? Have you broken things down into those sort of micro activities that you need to do to get the bigger things done so that you can move really smoothly towards your goals? Have you scheduled time to get that done? That's another issue that people are like, this is what I want to do this week, but they haven't actually put the time in their diary, and therefore their time gets eaten up by other things. They haven't prioritized those tasks. And part of that is having one, maximum three priorities per day, knowing how long that's going to take you so that you can focus on getting that done first and end every day feeling accomplished. So, are you tackling projects instead of tasks? And have you set deadlines? Even if these are deadlines that you're imposing for yourself, have you got a deadline? I want to get this done by this time, and giving yourself a good reason to get it done. If it's a deadline you've made up, you need to say, well, I need to get it done by this time so you can really justify it doesn't become something wobbly, and incorporate a reward in that. Once you achieve it, how are you going to let yourself know that you've achieved that goal, that progress?